Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. If you're new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. Yes, this is another video. I did film a video before this in this same shirt, but you know, I have a chance to do it right now, so I'm doing it right now. Okay? All right. For all of y'all that are new, welcome to my channel. I have new subscribers, and I just want to tell all my new subscribers, thank you for being here. I really appreciate y'all subscribing and watching. Y'all mean so much to me, just as everyone does. Everyone that watches, I really appreciate y'all. Y'all really making my channel come up. I'm trying to hit 1,000. I'm making it slowly but surely, but it's okay. The only reason why I want to go to 1,000 is because I want to be able to do live just straight from YouTube. I don't want to have to or film straight from YouTube or whatever. I don't want to have to do like StreamYard and all that stuff. And if you go live, because sometimes in the evening I'm diamond painting and I'm like, I just get, hey, I want to go live. And I just can't hit the button to go live. I have to do all kind of 9 yards of stuff. So, if I get to 1,000, then I can go live. I think. Or did it change? I think I talked to someone about this. I'm not gonna say her name, but I talked to someone about this. I think maybe I don't have to have 1,000. I don't know, but anywho, my goal is to get to 1,000. Okay, regardless, I just still want to get to 1,000. You know, you get to 600 and then you want to go to 8, and you get to 800 and you want to go to 1,000. So you know, there you have it. I want to go to 1,000. I want to hit 1,000, y'all. I just want to see that 1000 number. I ordered. This is an unboxing from a Facebook. I mean, I guess you'd call it a store. It's Putty Crocker's Boutique on Facebook. She makes putty, and her name is April, and her putty is awesome. I use putty, and I use snap dots, glue dots from another YouTuber YouTube creator. Her name is Jenny, and I did a video in that if y'all want to, on those snap dots, if y'all want to check those out, because she has an Etsy store. Putty Crocker's Boutique is on Facebook, so y'all go check her out. It's Putty Crocker, CROCKER Boutique, and she is on Facebook, and she does a drop of putty, and that's where you can find it, but you have to catch them quick because they really go fast. Like, I never used to be able to catch any at all, ever. Finally started catching some, and all her pretty ones I missed. Like, they had this pretty pink one, and it was like, and y'all all know pink is my favorite color. I like pink and purple. Well, obviously, the shenanigans right here. So she did this pretty pink one putty, and it like, I can't even explain it, y'all. And I missed it. And she only did it, and she ran out quickly, and I'll probably never get one, ever. So I'm sad about it. They're hard to get. So if you want to get one of her putties, go to her Facebook group, join her Facebook group, and stay on the lookout, because she does make announcements. She doesn't say, she'll say like putty, I think she says like Friday or Thursday or whatever. She'll tell you what day. Be on the lookout, because they go fast. They go really fast. She makes some cute putties too, like so cute. Anywho, that's where this is from, Putty Crocker's Boutique. I honestly don't want y'all to see. It's not that I don't want y'all to see my address. Just it's on my description portion of the video, so I don't know why not. I started getting all my mail over here. If somebody comes after me, they're gonna be greeted. So whatever. You know, and it came in this cute little package, and I just opened it, obviously. So it comes well packaged, and y'all, I got Yes, it's Christmas scents because I'm behind. Okay? Okay. It's not just Christmas scents. It's winter scents as well, I guess. Yeah. Because this is Frosted Pine Cone. And this one's Twisted Peppermint. And look the packaging, how cute, might I add. Yo, look how cute that is. I think her packaging is so darn cute. Oh my God. I don't even want to open it because it's so stinking cute. I love it. I love her packaging. She always has cute colors. Even though it's not pink, it's still cute. Even though it's not pink. So this one is Twisted Peppermint. I'm so stoked. Look, just look how cute that is, y'all. That's some cute labels, April. If you're watching this, April Harris. Oh my God, it smells so good. Okay, first of all, look at this. Look how cute. Just look how cute. Oh my God, it's stinking cute. Love it, love it, love it. I love it. And look how it looks like looks like a wintry scenery or something. Look how cute this is. Y'all, she really does a good job on her putty. I'm not gonna lie. Look how cute. I mean, you cannot get, look how cute. Y'all, even has little glitter pieces in it. I don't know if y'all could see that. Little blue pieces of glitter. It looks like a just straight up snow scene. I don't know. I love it. It's Twisted Peppermint. It's cute. And the smell is just like a sweet peppermint. Oh, and it smells like so clean, like a clean, not like sweet peppermint, like a sweet peppermint candy cane. I don't know, it smells so good. But it looks like a winter, I don't know. It goes with the theme to me. I'm just saying. I love it. I love it. It is awesome. I love it. I'm not messing it up. I would show y'all the texture, but I don't want to mess it up right now. I'm a putty freak, pen freak, diamond painting, I don't know, whatever, collector. Putties, pins, glue dots, diamond paintings. I'm all for it. Okay, this one is Frosted Pine Cone. And again, this is the package it came in. Look how cute. Doesn't that just scream like snowy, frosted, you know, snowy frosted pine cone. And again, it came with this is cute, to cover it up. And I love that. I love how she does that. Oh, God, y'all. When I wish y'all, this was smell-o-vision. Like, this smells so good. It smells so good. It's white, like a white. And you could see, I don't know if y'all could see, probably not. But they have glitter in here. Not a lot, just a touch. I don't know, y'all. It smells like a frosted pine cone. Like a snowy pine cone. Oh my God. It's so good. It smells so, so, so good. I really, really wish we had smell-o-vision. Look at that. Y'all could probably see kind of some of the... Yo, it smells so good. Literally, I swear this smells so good. I could just sit here and just smell it all day. Literally, all day long. I can't even. April, you did a good job on these, girlfriend. You did a good job on these. Oh my God. But April always does a good job on her putty. I'm not just saying that because I love her putty. Like I said, I switch between glue dots and putty. Those are my two favorite things. Jenny makes the glue dots and April makes the putty. And I like them. I also have Mary Mudd's diamond painting putty. But this putty is really good. Trust me, it's good. You will want to try it. Just try one time. Promise you will like it. And she's not, I bought this with my own money. She didn't send it to me. She didn't give it to me. Everything I have purchased from her, I purchased it. I have not, she didn't give me anything, okay? I bought this with my own money. My own money, period. So, go check April out, Putty Crocker's Boutique on Facebook. You will not regret it. I promise. Catch one. Grab one of these. You will love it. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate y'all watching. And I'm glad to be back. I hope y'all have a great day. And I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye.